Good morning, student. Now, today is the same chapter, permutation and combination. Now, previous class, then permutation. What is the permutation? That means arrangement. That is NPR. And what is the formula of NPR? That is a factorial n upon factorial n minus r. And what is NCR? That is a factorial n upon factorial n minus r into factorial r, right? So, what is the difference between permutation and combination? Then permutation and combination, then combination NCR is equals to NPR. This is NPR. Then NPR is equals to factorial r times in NCR. This is the relation between permutation and combination. Now, is the last class. Now discuss combination. Combination, what is the NC0? That is NCn, that is 1. But what is the NC1? That is n. NC2, n minus 1 upon factorial 2. NC3, n minus 1, n minus 2 upon factorial 3. Now exercise 7.4 and question number 4. Now, in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Now look here, how many ways? How many ways? That means question number 4, exercise 7.4. This is topic is combination. And first thing, now required number of ways. Now it's given total boys are 5 and total girls are 4. But now total boys are 5. But now एक team बनाने के लिए then is selected 3 boys. There are 5 boys but selected is a 3 boys, that is a 5C3. And now the 4 girls, total 4 girls, now select is 3 girls, that is a 4C3. And what is the value of 5C3? That is a 543 upon 123. What is a 4C3? That is a 4C3 is equals to 4C1. Why 4C3 and 4C1 are equal? Yesterday, previous class I have discussed what is NCR. Now look here student, NCR is equals to NCn minus r, right? So that means NC0 and NCn are equal, first and last are equal, second and second last term are equal. Why? This is the formula of NCR equal to NCn minus r. That means 4C3 की value and 4C1 are equal, then 4C3 is equals to 4C4 minus 3, that is 4C1. And now check, 4C3 is the value of 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, that is 4. But now the value of 4C1, that is 4, is the same value. That is the reason NCR is equals to NCn minus r. Now look here, then 3 to 3 cancel, 2 to 4 cancel, 5 2s are 10 into 4C1 is 4, that is the 40 ways. यानी कि आप कोई टीम बनानी है 5 बॉयज़ और 4 गर्ल्स में से आपको 3 बॉयज़ 3 गर्ल्स की टीम बनानी है, तो how many ways? That is 40. Now look here, question number 5th. But first thing, NCR, you know student, NCR, that is factorial n upon factorial n minus r into factorial r. And now exercise 7.4 and 7.4, then question number is 5th. Now 5th question, find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red ball, 5 black ball and white ball and 5 blue ball. Now look here, question number 5th and question number 5th, find the number of ways. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls and 6 are red ball, 5 are white ball, and 5 are blue ball. But if the condition is clear, if each selection now consists of 3 balls of each color. Now look here. First thing now write, then there are, question number 5th, there are total number of ball. Now total number of balls, then 6 are red, 5 are white, and 5 are blue. Then total is a 16 balls. 6 are red, 5 are white, and 5 are blue balls. Total 16 ball, but now is selected 9 balls. अगर हमारे पास क्वेश्चन होता है कि आपके पास में 15 balls and now selected is 9 balls, that is a 15C9. That is total number of ways. But condition, then each color, now selection consists of 3 ball of each color. So now is the required number of ways. Then 6 red ball, but now selected 3 ball, that is 63. What is the number of white balls? That is, there are 5 white balls, but now select 3 white ball, that is a 5C3, and now 5 blue ball, but now select is only 3 ball, that is a 5C3. That's 6 plus 5 plus 5, that is a total 16, and 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. Now look here student, it is clear than using फंडामेंटल मल्टीप्लिकेशन थ्योरम. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन में आप कॉम्बिनेशन हो या परम्यूटेशन, हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन फंडामेंटल थ्योरम यूज़ करते हैं. एडिशन कहाँ यूज़ होता है मैं आपको बताऊंगा. ओनली मल्टीप्लाई एंड एडिशन, एडिशन वहाँ यूज़ होता है जहाँ केसेस बनते हैं. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हम आपको क्लियर करेंगे. बट फर्स्ट थिंग, what is the value of 63? Now look here, what is the value of 63? 6, 5, 4, that is a reverse counting upon 1, 2, 3. What is the value of 5C3? 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And what is the value of 5C3? 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 3 to 3 cancel, 4 to 2 cancel. Then again same. And now 2 3s are 6, then 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, that is a 2000. That is the total number of ways when 16 ball are given. Now select is 9 balls. And now look here, question number 6, determine the number of 5 cards. Determine number of 5 cards and out of deck 52 cards. If there is exactly one ace and each combination, there are 52 cards and now select 5 cards. That means is a 52C5. But the condition is clear. Exactly one is ace. And now look here student, how many ace? Ace are 4. There are 4 ace. But now select is a 1 ace. That is a 4C1. And total 52 card, 4 are ace, left 48 cards. And 48 card may say now selection. Now total selection 5 card, 1 is ace, then left 4 are other card. So that is a 48C4. What is the value of 4C1? That is 4. Why? Since NC1 is N. 5C1 that is 5. 3C1 that is 3. 2C1 that is 2. Right? So now look here, 48C4, then 48, 47, 46, 45. Upon 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then 4 2s are 8, 8 6s are, now 3 2s are. So then multiply 4 into 2 into 47 into 46 into 45, and then this is answer. This is question number 6. Now question number 7, in how many ways? Look at student, now first thing is the 7 is a very important question. And then first thing is the 8th question. A bag contains 5 black ball and 6 red ball. This is one bag, and now there are black ball is 5 and red ball are 6. Total is 11 balls. Now determine the number of ways now required number of ways. than in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. There are 5 black ball, and now select is a 2 black ball, that is a 5C2, and there are 6 red ball, but now select 3 red ball, that is a 6C3. What is the value of 5C2? 5, 4 upon 1 into 2. What is the value of 6C3? 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 are 6. 2, 2 are 4. 5, 2 are 10. And 5, 4 are 20. That means it's a 200. This is the number of ways, right? So question number 8. Then answer question number 8 is 200 is the correct answer. Now question number 9. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available? Suppose आप स्कूल में गए और आपको कहा कि there are 9 courses are available, but now is selected, now choose 5 courses और आपको 5 subject choose करने, but 2 specific courses are compulsory. That means English and physical education is compulsory, supposedly. So 2 subjects are specific, compulsory. अब आपके पास में 9 courses हैं, 9 courses में से आपको 5 choose करना है, तो डायरेक्ट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज इज 9C5, बट इज अ कंडीशन इज क्लियर कि 2 स्पेसिफिक कोर्सेज आर कंपल्सरी. 2 सब्जेक्ट तो कंपल्सरी, मतलब आपको 2 तो लेनी है. 9 में से 2 सब्जेक्ट कंपल्सरी, लेफ्ट 7. इसका मतलब 7 में से मुझे सेलेक्ट कितने करने? देयर आर 5 कोर्सेज आर चूज, 2 इज कंपल्सरी, लेफ्ट 3, दैट मीन्स 7C3. But total 9 courses are available. 2 is compulsory, left 7. Now choose is a 5 subject, 5 courses, but 2 is compulsory, so left 3 is choose. So 5, 7C3, then 7C3 is a 7, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 is 6, then 7, 5 is 35. So now question number 9, then answer is 35, that is correct answer. Now look, here is the last question of this exercise combination, and last question, question number 7. Now question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team? In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players? You know student, अब सबको मालूम है क्रिकेट टीम में 11 प्लेयर्स होते हैं, बट नाउ द सेलेक्टेड इज 11 प्लेयर, बट आउट ऑफ 17 प्लेयर्स, बट विच ओनली 5 प्लेयर्स कैन बॉल. दैट मीन्स देयर आर 5 बॉलर्स, बट इफ इट्स क्रिकेट टीम ऑफ 11 मस्ट बी इंक्लूड exactly 4 bowlers. So now look here, first thing, there are 17 players, but now selected is 11 player. So that means and required number of ways. There are 17 player, but 17 में से 5 are bowler. There are 5 are bowler. 5 are bowlers, total 17 player. Now select 11 player. That means 17 player में से 11 player select करने, तो direct is the way 17C11. But is a condition कि sir 17 are player and now selected 11 players, and 11 players में से 5 are bowler, and exactly 4 bowlers select. Exactly 4, that is a 5C4. यानी मैं बॉलर में से बॉलर सेलेक्ट करूंगा, मेरे पास 5 बॉलर्स है, 5 बॉलर में से मुझे 4 बॉलर तो लेने हैं, राइट. सो दैट इज अ 5C4, बट 17 प्लेयर में से 5 आर बॉलर. सो हाउ मेनी बैट्समैन? दैट मीन्स 17 माइनस 5, दैट इज 12, यानी 12 आर बैट्समैन. एंड नाउ सेलेक्ट, जब आपने 4 बॉलर सेलेक्ट किए, टोटल इज 11 प्लेयर, 11 प्लेयर में से 4 आर बॉलर सेलेक्ट, तो लेफ्ट इज 7, राइट. देन 7 आर बैट्समैन. आई रिपीट, कि आपके पास में 17 प्लेयर है और 17 प्लेयर में से आपको 11 प्लेयर सेलेक्ट करने हैं, दैट इज इट इज क्लियर कि 17C11. बट नाउ इज वन कंडीशन इज गिवन कि 5 आर बॉलर एंड नाउ सेलेक्ट 4 बॉलर्स, सो दैट इज द सिलेक्शन ऑफ बॉलर्स, दैट इज अ 5C4. बट 17 प्लेयर में से 5 आर बॉलर, लेफ्ट 12 आर बैट्समैन. अब बैट्समैन कितने सेलेक्ट करने हैं? टोटल 11 प्लेयर सेलेक्ट करने हैं, 4 आर बॉलर चूज किया आपने, तो लेफ्ट 7 आर बैट्समैन, देन 12C7, दैट इज द सिलेक्शन ऑफ बैट्समैन, राइट. एंड नाउ लुक हियर, solve 5C4, you know student, 5C4 is equals to 5C1 and 12C7 is equals to 12C5. Why? Since NCR is equals to NC and minus R. Value of 5C1 is 5, 12C5, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 4 is 12, 2 5s are 10, and now multiply 5 into 11 into 9 into 8. So student, exercise 7.4 completed. Permutation and combination, both topic are completed, and then next class में now discussion is miscellaneous exercise of this chapter. But today is a one thing, permutation, that means arrangement, and combination is selection. मैंने अभी तक सब यूज़ किया, दैट इज़ ओनली मल्टीप्लिकेशन, फंडामेंटल मल्टीप्लिकेशन थ्योरम. बट मैं आपको बताना चाहता था कि कॉम्बिनेशन में कई जगह एडिशन में यूज़ होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस क्वेश्चन, कि सपोज देर आर 17 प्लेयर, राइट, 5 आर बॉलर्स, right, and now selected 11 player out of 17 player, but 5 are bowler, but now is the condition at least 3 are bowler. अगर क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ at least 3, condition is changed, how many required number of waves, right, so condition is changed at least 3 are bowler. अब at least 3 are bowler, there are 5 bowler. at least 3 का मतलब that is x is greater than equals to 3, यानी कि कम से कम आपको 3 बॉलर तो लेनी है. आप 4 भी ले सकते हो, 5 भी ले सकते हो. दैट मीन्स दिस इज आर केसेस, इज अ केस फर्स्ट. देयर आर 5 बॉलर्स बट नाउ सेलेक्टेड 3 बॉलर्स. अगर मैं 5 में से 3 बॉलर्स सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूं, दैट इज अ 5C3. तो बैट्समैन आर 12 एंड नाउ सेलेक्टेड हाउ मेनी बैट्समैन? टोटल 11 प्लेयर्स. 11 minus 3, that is 8. That means batsman is 8. Is a case first. But now is the case second, right? कि 5 में से अगर मैं 4 बॉलर सेलेक्ट करता हूँ, that is a 5C4. तो बैट्समैन then 12C7. Case third, कि then 5 bowler, right? And now select all our bowler, all 5 are bowler. That means batsman, 12 batsmen present. Now selection is a 6. Why 6 and 5 is 11? हमें selection 11 प्लेयर के करना है. आप पे डिपेंड करता है आप कितने बॉलर. देयर आर 3 केसेस. इन 3 केसेस को आप इस तरीके से, केस फर्स्ट 5C3 इंटू 12C8 प्लस दिस इज केसेस यानी एडिशन 5C4 इंटू 12C7 प्लस 5C5 इंटू 12C6. एंड नाउ प्लीज सॉल्व, राइट. तो ये वो क्वेश्चन था जहाँ कंडीशन में चेंजेस था कि नाउ सेलेक्शन condition is given at least 3 bowlers. So student, please solve permutation and combination, a very interesting chapter, very easy chapter, right? Thank you.